Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. Okay, looking at yourself with no makeup on. A monitor, if nothing else, it is humbling. Hey guys, look! What pores? I'm just asking y'all, what pores? Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. For those of you who are new, this is the No Lie Naturally Me channel. Welcome. I totally forgot to do an intro, so I'm doing this voiceover, but I hope you guys enjoy the video, and I hope this verse helps if you're anxious about anything. I'm going to give my face a little bit of TLC, which is something I do every Sunday. So in today's video, I'm going to be trying the GlamGlow SuperMud, and I've been curious about this product for quite some time. So this product comes in 3 sizes. There is a 3.5 ounce, a 1.7 ounce, and then a 1/2 ounce product. This is the 1/2 ounce product. I have been wanting to try this product for quite some time because it's supposed to treat a lot of the common issues we have in skin. So blotchiness, redness, irritation. It's supposed to refine your pores and be an overall sort of nourishing treatment for the skin. So when you open the container, as you can see, this is a charcoal mud, and it's pretty firm, which is great. I wasn't sure if this is going to be more of a milky product or if it was going to be something that would be a bit firmer. And so what I'm going to do is apply this to the areas where I really want to use this kind of product. So for me, it's going to be all about minimizing the congestion in my pores. So a lot of times when I use different muds, masks and different masks in general, I like to use them to spot treat specific issues I have with my skin. So this would be a mask that I would use to minimize my pores. I use a different mask by Strivectin, which I demoed on the channel. I'll put a link above to that video. I use that one for hydration, which is really important for maturing skin. Promise I'm not giving you guys the finger. I tend to get congested pores in this area. So I get my congestion here and then right in the center. So that is where I'm gonna put the product. And I have to tell you guys, I am really, I'm feeling the product work as we speak. It has a nice sort of cooling, but then also tingling effect to it. And I'm also going to just go through the center of the nose as well, because sometimes I can get congested pores like on the tip of my nose. I'm sure I'm not alone in that. But yeah, like as soon as you put this on, you can actually feel it working like right away. And that makes perfect sense because when I read the directions, it said that you could leave this on for 5, 10, 15, or 20 minutes. So if this is a treatment that is supposed to be effective in 5 minutes, then I would certainly expect that I could feel like it doing something in that short period of time. So one of the things I'm really loving about this product is that, as you can see, it's starting to dry already. I haven't even had this on for 5 minutes yet, and it's already drying around my nose. You can see it drying around the edges here, and it is continuing to tingle, and I'm feeling it tingle like right in my pores. This is great. Like, I'm really impressed. So as it dries, it does begin to feel hard, and I can actually see where it is pulling stuff out of my pores. Can you guys see this? I'm gonna see if I can get in tighter here. Okay, can you guys see this area on my nose? These little dots? And also you can see here where my pores are. It's already starting to work, and it's pulling the toxins out of my pores. So that's awesome. It does feel tight as it dries, which makes sense for a mud mask. But yeah, it is continuing to tingle. I feel it tingling more so on this side now, and I think that's because the mud is still wet, and over here it isn't as tingly, but it is continuing to tingle just a bit, as well as I'm feeling it right there. Okay, so it's been about 15 minutes. I got caught up with you guys on Snapchat. and Instagram. So I ended up letting it stay on for about 15 minutes instead of 10 minutes. So now I'm gonna go in with a wet towel and I'm just going to go ahead and remove the mask. Hi, Miora.
Hello.
It's a video.
Oh, okay.
So it's coming off pretty easily, which you never can tell what's going to happen when you use a charcoal mask. Nice. Might let you use my GlamGlow mask. That's good. Okay, so as you guys can see, it's coming off pretty effortlessly. I haven't had to re-wet my towel or anything. My skin looks good, y'all. Like, I'm amazed. My pores are definitely minimized. Nice. Wow, I really love this mask. Wow. Okay, hold on, because I gotta show my Snapchat fam real quick. Hey guys, look! What pores? I'm just asking y'all. What pores? Like, seriously? This is amazing. My pores are freaking gone. Okay. I just have to say, this is a winner. This is a winner. How can you not? All right. What do you guys think? Tell me in the comment section, but I'm like, I love this. I want to marry it now. In fact, we go together. We're engaged. I will send the invitations out by mail shortly. But this is freaking amazing. Man. All right. So really quickly, I'm going to just go over my skin. This is kind of what I typically do after I do skincare. I apply a mask or anything of that nature. I just kind of go over my skin with my micellar cleansing water. So I like to do that. Man, like, this is really awesome. This is gorgeous. My skin looks so pretty. I'm just amazed. You all know I have to mist afterwards with my rose water. Okay, so you guys have probably noticed I have a little bit of redness. That is normal when you do a mask treatment where you're activating a product. Like this particular one has activated charcoal in it. But you guys know I did a DIY where I did turmeric, and a turmeric mask, and my face was a little bit red after that one. It is normal for that to happen. The redness generally goes away in about 10 minutes, sometimes a little bit longer. But yeah, you're good to go. Overall thoughts on this freaking product, like, do I really need to tell you? Like, seriously. Like, we fam, right? You guys know. This is amazing. Worth every freaking penny. If you want to wake up with beautiful skin, child, yes ma'am, this is gorgeous. And this is, you know, about to be 47-year-old skin. So I would say that this product is great for all ages, but if you're someone like me who has maturing skin, or if you're trying to develop a skincare routine that is proactive against you know, wrinkles and keeping your skin in the best possible shape, I highly recommend this stuff. Like, this is a product that actually works. You guys know we see a lot of marketing of products that don't really work on our skin, but it exceeds my expectations. I absolutely love the look and feel of my skin. Like, seriously, my pores are gone. And let me tell you guys, I have not been taking good care of my skin recently because I had been sick. I didn't tell you guys, but I was in a car accident. I've had all kinds of stuff going on, just feeling really exhausted, and I've not been giving my skin the TLC it needs. This was amazing. All right, so I hope you guys enjoyed this demo. If you have any questions, don't hesitate to leave them below. I will leave information regarding this GlamGlow SuperMud below. And I hope you guys give it a try. Oh, let me do my awkward slow-mos. No, but seriously, like, this is awesome. Dang! I wish I had some place to go. Bye.